So moving on up to our commercial lineup, this is our Pro Turn 200 series. Right here we've got a 52-inch deck, but this will also come in a 52, a 60, or a 72-inch deck. The engine options available for California are the YAMAHA engines. The YAMAHA engine is brand new to the outdoor power equipment industry, and we've worked with them for the past 4 years to develop this engine. It's 20% more fuel efficient than the next most fuel efficient engine. The torque to power ratio is optimized right at 3,400 RPMs, which is the max throttle point. Now what that really means is when you go over some wet, dense, or heavy grass, what you'll notice with other engines is they'll bog down. Now what that is the engine reducing its RPM to increase the torque output. However, with the Yamaha MX engine, the torque is maximized right at our max throttle point. So there's no bog down effect with this engine. More so on the engine is the noise and the vibration. So when you first turn on the 200 series or the 400 series, you'll notice it's much quieter than any other mower you've heard. It's because a lot of work has gone into making this engine quieter and smoother than the competition. On this deck we also have our CBT system. That's the constant belt tension system. And what that means is the factory sets the tension of the belt where it's supposed to be, and the system then over the life of the belt maintains a consistent tension on it. Now what you'll see with our previous models or competitors' models is you'll have to tighten something over the life of the belt to maintain a consistent tension on the belt. With this deck though, the tension is consistent throughout the life. Now what happens when you have a less or more slack on the belt? A couple of things. One is the belt will not last as long. You'll have premature wear on the belt. And the other thing, more importantly, is cut quality. When you have a consistent tension on the belt, the spindles are rotating at a consistent speed. Now if you have less tension on a belt, let's say, there is a little bit of slack on the spindle, which causes a blade to spin less fast than another blade. And that causes that mohawking effect that you'll see on older machines or machines with the deck belt not adjusted properly. So with the CBT system, we completely remove that mohawking effect and we extend the life of the belt.